My name's Darren Williams. I'm one of the Digital Inclusion Officers on a Communities 2.0 initiative that's run by RNIB Cymru and it's called the Get Connected project. So the Get Connected project supports blind and partially sighted people to get online and access digital services. So we currently run in 18 local authorities and we support people through home visits and through community sessions as well. Also to support us we use volunteers across Wales, again doing the home visits and also the group sessions as well.
Hi, I'm Lyndon. I've been learning to use a computer here at Betos. Everything's gone computer-wise. I've learned to type and I went through to a social worker who got me through to somebody else, and I've learned a lot with the computers because there's such a lot to learn with the computers. You've put me onto Guide, which is a talking software, and that is really good and helpful because it talks you through it as well. And I'm going every Thursday for him to help me, and I'm also going to have it in the house in the future. I would like to email, I would like to go on Facebook, and I would like to go shopping and surf the web. If you go to your social worker and then ask about, because I didn't have much confidence in the computer at all, by going somewhere here, they do, because it's taught you, do get a lot more confidence to use it. It's awful hard in the beginning, very hard. I'm finding it awful hard. Remembering wise too, you got to remember so much. The best thing to do is to, obviously you can't write it down to see it, but tape it, different commands, and it gives you a lot more independence, a lot more.
Hi, I'm Amanda Cookson. I'm a volunteer with the RNIB Cymru Get Connected project, and I've been working one-to-one and within the group settings with some of the people that Darren's been looking after. So it's very much client-led, so it depends on what each individual person needs. We try to break down the tasks into small, manageable, achievable tasks so that they can get on the internet and do whatever things they want to do on the computers really. Just lots of repetition, lots of practice, and just confidence building. The internet is the way forward for everybody, and I don't feel that anybody should be excluded. It's something that I enjoy, and as my background's in healthcare, but I'm also a bit of a geek when it comes to gadgets, so I just wanted to use those skills in a way that was, meaningful and helpful.
This video was made by the Welsh Government Digital Inclusion Programme Communities 2.0, which is helping communities and small enterprises make the most of the internet and other digital technologies.